Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an active Google account and the Google Docs app installed. Open Docs, sign in, and make recent files available offline so edits save without Wi-Fi. Now create a new document with the plus button, then name it to avoid untitled clutter. Once done, set basic formatting, font, size, and paragraph spacing, so your first sentences follow the document style you need. This saves time later and keeps structure consistent. Now focus on the detailed editing steps that matter. Select text and use the toolbar to apply headings, bold, and lists. This helps navigation and export later. Insert images or tables with the plus icon, then tap an element to change alignment or text wrap. This keeps layout tidy on small screens. For long text, use the keyboard mic or voice typing to dictate faster. Make sure permissions are granted. Once done, review styles so the doc exports cleanly to PDF or Word. Finish by sharing and syncing. Tap the share icon, choose editor or commenter, and send the link. This gives collaborators the right access immediately. Make sure Drive Sync and background data are enabled so your changes upload automatically. If something goes wrong, like missing edits or sync errors, clear the app cache, update Google Docs from Play Store, and re-sign in. That resolves most issues. Finally, confirm offline files resync when you reconnect so nothing is lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.